We are heading to the Maldives and we have the smallest packing allowance that we've ever had on a trip. So pack with me as I show you what I'm bringing and how I'm packing it in just this backpack and this 20-inch carry-on suitcase. Let's get into it. Okay, let me first show you what I'm wearing on the plane because we have a 14-hour flight from the US to Doha, Qatar. So I am going to wear a lounge set from Universal Standard. I love that I'm a size 12, but I'm an extra small on their brand. Love it. And the pants are like super flowy. They're so comfortable. Since Doha is an Islamic, it was really important to me that I have my body covered and not be wearing something skin tight like leggings. So I think this was an excellent option. I'll be wearing compression socks because my feet blow up like 9-month pregnancy kinkles when I don't wear them on long flights. Sports bra and my New Balances. These are so comfortable. And when we get to Doha, we then have like an 8-hour layover and then a 4 or 5-hour flight to Malé in the Maldives. And after that, we still have to get on a local flight to the resort island. So I have packed a change of clothes for the Qatar airport in this handy dandy packing cube. And what I'll do is change into this outfit and then put the dirty outfit in here. And this will go in my suitcase because we are carrying on our luggage until we get to Doha, but more on that later. Okay, I am obsessed with this outfit I got. I literally copied the entire outfit from a model on the Nordstrom website because I can't make outfits. So I got this maxi cargo skirt and it is so comfortable and lightweight and it goes down almost to my ankles. Then I got this athletic tank top with a built-in bra. And of course, since I don't want to be showing my shoulders and my legs, I have this matching little jacket. And it's also very lightweight, so if I have to keep it on, like, I'll be fine. And of course, I have a fresh pair of socks and a fresh bralette. And then we're not packing any other travel clothes because we're planning to have the resort do laundry for us. And yes, I am a clothes roller, but I struggle, so I don't even know. I do my best. All right, this is my backpack I'm bringing. It is the Brevity Jumper backpack, and it's actually a photography backpack. So this pouch here can open from the front and you can put in dividers. However, David is carrying all of our photography gear, so instead I have packed it full of toiletries and stuff. We'll also say this is the large size, and they do have a small size, which I have in pink. Okay, we are firmly carry-on only people, and we have not checked bags in years. When we get to Doha, the next flight is Qatar Airways, and Qatar's policy is that if you're an economy, this is the carry-on that goes in the overhead bin. Unfortunately, we can't bring our suitcases on that flight. They have to be checked. So for my suitcase, I have the Away carry-on. It's a 20-inch carry-on suitcase. This is actually like one of the more original Away suitcases. They redesigned it a couple years ago. So this has been going so strong for me. I love it. Now here's the thing with the weight, because the carry-on on Qatar, the backpack, can only be 15 pounds. And when we get to Malé and get on Maldivian Air, it can only be 11 pounds. But I did get one of these like luggage scale weights. So let me weigh this right now. Oh no, it's 12.92. So I'm gonna have to either see if I can pay extra for those 2 pounds on Maldivian Air, or something's gonna have to go. I might have to leave the laptop at home. Okay, so something that I do is I always set a color palette for my trip. I go off of not only like the vibe, but also what's gonna look good and stand out in the photos we take. But beyond that, it really does help because then everything kind of mixes and matches and you're not packing like something random that needs a whole bunch of different items just to wear it. So for the Maldives, I chose black, red, and hot pink as my color palette. Okay, for my first bikini, I have this hot pink Monday Swimwear Malibu top. I love Monday Swimwear. I have every single one of their large bust tops. I'm thinking about making a video to give you more information on that if you have big boobs. But in the meantime, I do have a blog post reviewing all of the Monday tops, which I will link down below. And the bottom is the St. Lucia bottom. My cover up is their Tuscany mini dress. Love how Monday always has like matching cover-ups for all of their bikinis. Love it. So I'm also packing a black bikini, and this is the Monday Watigos. And the top, which this gets so confusing. There we go. Okay, this is the Bordeaux top. It's kind of like on the borderline of fitting me, but it still works. Then for my black bikini, I have a one shoulder black cover up, also from Monday, if you're sensing a theme here. Maxi length with this cute like little cutout detail on the hip. Okay, I did pack a red swimsuit separately, which I'll show you in a minute. And for that red swimsuit, a maxi dress cover up from Monday Swim. And it's so long. Like again, I'm 5'7", and this like drags on the ground, and it's reversible. So what I've done is set aside one bikini and one maxi dress in this little packing cube that I'm shoving in my backpack because I have really big boobs, and if I had no clothes because my luggage was lost, I can't go in the little store and buy a bikini and a dress and be fine. Like I would just be in my travel clothes the whole vacation with a vacation ruined. So this is my solution. And here I have one of my favorite bikinis from Body Glove. Here is the top. If you have a large bust, I have a full blog post that I will link below. I reviewed like every single swimsuit I've ever gotten. Check the links below and bookmark that if you have big boobs too. Now for my clothes, I'm going really minimal because honestly, it's a mid-range resort. I don't have to be super fancy, and we're not doing a lot other than hanging out at our overwater bungalow, going to breakfast and dinner. We'll pretty much be in our bathing suits all day, so I don't need a lot. And I'm gonna say something really radical, but we're going for 5 nights. This is a long trip for us, and I am going to repeat my outfits. Okay, and here is the maxi dress that I packed. This is my favorite ever Amazon maxi dress. I have this in like 6 colors, so it is very long. It has pockets. It's so comfortable. Okay, next I have this black maxi dress, and honestly, it looks semi-sheer here, but it's not. At least I hope it's not. Honestly, I've had this for like 6 years. This is from Nordstrom. It's Treasure and Bond. So I don't even think they sell this anymore, but I will link something very comparable for you guys. So again, it's just this super long maxi dress, and it does have pockets. Actually packing 2 of the exact same Amazon maxi dress. This one's like a hot pink, and I just cannot say enough good things about these Amazon maxi dresses. They're so comfortable and they're perfect for tropical vacations. And then I'm also packing like an athletic romper. I'm telling myself we're gonna go to the gym at the resort. We'll see. So this is a Free People romper, and I have it in like 3 colors. Plus I have the dupe version of this from Amazon, so I'll make sure to link both. And the shorts are nice and flowy, and you do have like the built-in undies in it as well. I have one more dress to show you that most people would not pack, but like honestly, I can't even show you properly. So like, let me stand on the couch. There we go. Gorge. I'm so obsessed. I feel like normal people would buy this for like a fancy wedding as a guest, but I buy it to film on vacation. Okay, for nighttime, I have my bonnet to protect my weave. I also brought 2 like lightweight satin nightgowns. I also have these thigh bands that I call my Thigh Saver 3000s, and they prevent chub rub. Like I swear by these. Oh yeah, I also do have one more big booby bralette. This is the Cosabella Never Say Never Curvy Sweetie bralette, which my 36G fits in a large. And no, I do not bring a real bra because it's too hot. Just leave the real bras at home, get a bralette, or just go commando. That is it for my clothes. 3 maxi dresses, 3 bikinis, 3 cover-ups, and a photo shoot dress. Let me show you how I pack that into the suitcases using my packing cubes. And if you're finding this video helpful, or you wanna see all of our Maldives videos, please take a second and hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel. Thank you so much. Quick coffee break. This is tiring. Quick kitty cat break. And the other one. Now that I have tossed this freaking everywhere, I gotta get it all in the suitcase. Here we go. All right, I've got my suitcase so we can look at how I packed this all in there. Oh my God, I need to clean it so bad. Here it is packed in all her glory. My one pair of flip-flops in this pocket. Just one. The resort we're going to is pretty casual. I don't need any fancy shoes for dinner. I feel like these are both beach and cute enough for dinner. Oh, okay. All right, so on the left side, I have 2 packing cubes, and this has all of my dresses, swimsuit cover-ups, swimsuits. All right, let's look at, Jesus, the other side. So this monstrosity, no one else who is watching this video is gonna be packing one of those. So you have a whole nother quarter of a suitcase to fill. In between this, I have like a little flower crown from Etsy. Over here, I have the buoy bag, which is 100% completely waterproof bag. And you can wear it like a fanny pack or as a crossbody. I'm really excited about this. In the middle, I have a couple things. One pair of sunglasses. I'm obsessed with these sunglasses. They're just perfect and they're affordable. They're from Quince. And then tucked way down in here, just a cheap Amazon ball cap. And I also ordered a packable, foldable visor. Oh yeah, I also shoved in here a backup sunscreen because this is like a deodorant stick sunscreen, so it's not liquid. I'm not a huge fan of this because when I put it on, it leaves like white streaks, but I figured we just need some backup. Finally, this is that pouch I showed you with my change of clothes for the other airport. I think I did pretty good. Okay, let's show you what's in my 13-pound overweight backpack. Okay, so normally this would have like dividers and I'd put like my camera and different gear, but this is all my carry-on stuff. Spare outfit in case of worst case scenario. I have a bikini and a dress. So here is my liquids bag, and I love these reusable bags instead of the like plastic quart bag from the grocery store. These are amazing. So let me show you what I have. That was like the world's worst transition ever. So I have 2 contact solutions, which I am packing more contact solution in David's bag. I also am trying these re-wetting drops. I have a little mini Aquaphor, but I probably don't need this because David packed Vaseline in his. My only skincare product is an older, about to be done Tret, so I can probably throw that away when we leave. I have a toothpaste. I have some just gentle Cetaphil face lotion. I have a 100 sunscreen because I am pale. And then I have a 60 tinted face sunscreen. Anti-redness BB cream. There's like hardly anything in here, so I can probably throw that away at the end of the trip as well. Hand lotion for the flight, and then a face cleanser. And like, this is it, guys. Like, I do not pack makeup in tropical destinations other than like my BB cream and some tinted sunscreen, because it's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sweaty, you're gonna get a nice tan. Probably don't really need your makeup. All right, last thing is my toiletry bag. I have a full box of contact. I have a couple of random makeup wipes we've stolen from hotels, and I shouldn't have dumped these little mini toothbrushes on the floor, so now I'm gonna have to replace these. Tweezers. I have 2 lipsticks. This one is Ruby Woo, and this is All Fired Up. I have a contacts case, aloe, Burt's Bees, chapstick, and an SPF sunbum. I've got like a couple bobby pins, a couple hair ties, and a couple of elastics. I have my dermaplaning tool, aspirin, pill that I have to take every day, toothbrush, 1 claw clip, deodorant, and my little mini unbrush, which I love this thing. Thank you, TikTok shop. Next is my like electronic bags. I always put an AirTag in my backpack and an AirTag in my suitcase. I have a little remote clicker for my phone. I have a battery pack with like every different connection possible. I love this thing. I have my external hard drive for putting all my content on. I bring 1 base. I recently got the Apple World Travel Adapter Kit. This is the piece we need for the Maldives at our resort. It's like the UK one. So that just slips in to this portion. That being said, David brings this on all our international trips, which is like a power strip with all of the different adapters and connectors. So I would be bringing this myself if I didn't travel with him. This is like absolutely necessary. For my cords, I have like one phone cord, one USB-C cord, and my laptop cord. This was missing in action, but I just found it. It's my Airfly, and this is like a dongle you can plug up in the seat back of the plane, and it allows you to use Bluetooth to connect to 1 or 2 pairs of headphones. All right, and this front zipper, I have a bunch of cough drops because I have this like nervous tic. When I get on a plane, I immediately start coughing. It's so embarrassing, and it really sucked during COVID. And I also have sanitizing wipes in here. And then this is gonna be the little mini wallet that I bring. That'll be in there. All right, now in here, I have my laptop, which is probably the majority of the weight. And then I have my AirPod Maxes. And then this is the only purse that I'm bringing. Mostly I wanted something like phone sized because for getting content, I have this spare content phone. This is an old iPhone, I think 14 Pro Max, and I got this ND filter for it, which helps with colors outside. But this way I can just slip the phone in and wear this on my side and not really have to like worry about carrying it. So normally guys, I bring this on like every resort trip, and this is a little bag from Monday, and I can use it as both a purse and a beach bag. Really? Honestly, I am trying to save room, and also I don't really think I'm gonna need like a beach bag because we're gonna be at our overwater bungalow most of the time, and this will do just fine. And I can also wear this to dinner. This is good enough. That is literally it for what I'm bringing in my backpack. Not this, bye. I think I have a few things that I need to pack last minute, like my glasses and my razor, but I have that all written down in my phone so I don't forget anything, and really that's it. All right, this is gonna not really apply if you're a solo traveler, but I always recommend if you are traveling with a group or in a pair to use each other's packing as a resource to share items and maybe like distribute weight evenly and all that good stuff. Because here's a stack of items that I'm making David put in his suitcase. These are towel bands, so you just slip it over your lounge chair and then your towel doesn't fly away. So I figured that'd be great because we're gonna be lounging on our overwater bungalow, and it's probably gonna be a little windy. David always carries like first aid kit supplies and medicine because I always manage to injure myself. So we have like Band-Aids, tummy issue medicine, that kind of good stuff in here. This is also very random. I have white mosquito repellents, so we don't need liquid. These are just like little towelettes. And then I don't like my coffee to taste like coffee, so I always bring these little French vanilla Better Buzz creamer packets. So that way if we have coffee in the morning before we go to the buffet, I can have some creamer. And then I packed David's liquid bag for him because it's things that I also need. I have 3 more things of contact solutions for me. I've got Vaseline, a Poo-Pourri, what else? Anti-itch cream, and then a 70 sunscreen in here. So he never really has any liquids at all, so I just use him for his bag. And finally, I'm excited about this. These are 2 different little like blow up floaties. So it's got like the net in between and you can like lay on it. This will be great for our little pool that's in the overwater bungalow, but also I am not a strong swimmer, so this gives me something to hang on to if we don't have our fins and snorkel on. I'm excited about these. Okay, that's it. We are packed. So of course I will write in the description below every single thing that I just showed you in case you're interested in purchasing. We do receive a small commission at no cost to you if you click through our links and then make your purchase. So we would really appreciate that if you did. It helps our channel immensely. And make sure you subscribe so you can follow us along to the Maldives. So thanks for packing with me. We'll see you in our Maldives videos.